If you are in need of detail engineering survey services in Noida, look no further. Our company, Scon Design, specializes in providing top-notch survey services for engineering projects in the Noida area. With our expertise and experience, we can assist you in gathering accurate and detailed information about the site, helping you make informed decisions and ensuring the success of your project. Our detail engineering survey services cover a wide range of aspects, including topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Whether you are planning a new construction project or need to assess the condition of an existing site, our team of skilled surveyors can provide you with the precise data you need. We utilize the latest surveying equipment and techniques to ensure accuracy and efficiency in our work. When it comes to detail engineering survey services in Noida, we understand the importance of delivering timely results. We are well aware that time is of the essence in any engineering project, and delays in obtaining survey data can have a significant impact on your timelines and budget. That is why we strive to complete our surveys promptly without compromising on quality. Our team works diligently to meet your deadlines and ensure that you have the necessary information when you need it. At Scon Design, we pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand that every project is unique and has its own specific requirements. In conclusion, if you are looking for detail engineering survey services in Noida, Scon Design is your go-to solution. With our expertise, advanced equipment, and dedication to customer satisfaction, we can provide you with accurate and reliable survey data for your engineering projects. Contact us today to discuss your requirements and let us assist you in making your project a success. Look no further if you require detailed engineering survey services in Noida. Scon Design, our business, focuses on offering excellent survey services for engineering projects in the Noida region. With our knowledge and experience, we can help you learn all there is to know about the location, enabling you to make wise decisions and assuring the success of your project. We offer a wide range of detail engineering survey services, including topographic, boundary, and construction staking surveys. Whether you need to examine the state of an existing site or are planning a new building project, our team of knowledgeable surveyors can give you the exact information you require. To ensure accuracy and effectiveness in our work, we use the most recent surveying tools and methods. We recognize the value of providing prompt findings when it comes to detail engineering survey services in Noida. Time is always of the essence when working on engineering projects, and delays in getting survey data can significantly affect your budget and schedule. We make an effort to finish our surveys as quickly as possible without sacrificing quality because of this. Our team puts out a lot of effort to fulfill